Hey guys, so yesterday I was actually working on something, and guess what it is? I've been working on this table, and it has been my desire. If you're an artist, you need a table where you can put your work and do what you want. Uh, Except you're not that serious with your work, but I guess you need a table. And this table, I try as much as possible to make a design that will allow me to move the main board, but I have a smaller side of the board that is going to be stable, but the main part which I will be putting my artwork, my paper to be drawing, I need to make that one movable. It has really been a joyful thing, though I've not really completed the work, the table, but as you can see, I can actually use it. I can actually use this now. I started it, I think um December 31st. Yesterday I was able to make a great achievement of completing it. So please, my name is Promise and I'm a portrait artist. I really want to be showing my work this time around, and I hope you like this works. Join me, subscribe, and like my work, share with your audience. I take commission art though. I take commissions, and if you see my work and you like it, you can ask me to draw you. uh, DMs are open, and the comment section is open too. Thank you so much. On the Art of Promise.